Mastering file operations in Python. Learn to read, write, and manage files efficiently in Python. The open function is essential for accessing files. It allows you to specify the mode, such as read, write, or append, which determines how the file is accessed and modified. Python provides several methods for reading files. Use read to fetch the entire content, readline for a single line, and readlines to get all lines as a list. Context managers, accessed via the with statement, help manage file resources automatically. They ensure files properly opened and closed, simplifying file operations. File encoding is crucial to prevent data corruption. Specify the encoding type in the open function, with UTF-8 and ASCII being common options. Implement try-except blocks to manage errors during file access. This approach catches exceptions and ensures the program continues to run smoothly. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.